Hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be showing you how to make fast and easy veggie pancit in 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, in 10 minutes. And I'll be using my electric skillet here, and it's a cold pan. So, our ingredients are cabbage, carrots, zucchini, yellow squash, half onion chopped, handful of snow peas, and I'll be using fried shallot and fried garlic. You can also use the fresh ones, and I have here my chow mein noodle and my pancit bihon. I'll be using a vegetarian broth and the vegetarian stir-fry sauce. So let's start by preparing my vegetables using my Saladmaster Food Processor. To start with, I'll be using cone number 3 to slice my zucchini and my yellow squash. Look how easy it is. Wow, and you don't have to peel the vegetables, but we really wash it really good. Because remember, that's where all the goodness is, right there in the peelings. All right, and then my favorite cone is actually number 5, so I'll be using cone number 5 to slice my carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, good for your eyesight as well. And then, like what you seeing right now, it's cone number 5, all right? Now, if you want to shred your carrots, you can also use cone number 2. This is what makes your preparation really easy and fast because you have the Saladmaster machine. Look at that, okay? And then I'm going to go back to cone number 5 to use to cut my cabbage. All right, look at this. This is really awesome. And when you're actually preparing your cabbage, you don't have to remove the hard core because that's where also very good. It's actually rich in pepsin. All right. Whoa, okay. Saladmaster Food Processor makes your job easier in preparation or in preparing all your ingredients. Wow, we're done! How easy is that? Now, all we need to do is put everything together, just like dump everything. So again, this is a cold pan, and we're gonna start with your pancit bihon. We're just gonna break it. You don't have to soak it with water. That's the magic of my Saladmaster electric skillet. All right, and then we're gonna add your chow mein noodle on top. We're gonna put a little bit of pressure here, okay? And then, of course, your chopped onion. Look at that. So easy, no more oil. Makes it healthier. And then we're gonna also dump your snow peas. Wow, look at that. All right. And then, of course, we're gonna dump the remainder of the vegetables here. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure I make some room. All right, just dump everything just like that, okay? And look at that, look at the colors. The more color you have in your dish, the better it is for you. And you know what happens here in Saladmaster electric skillet is you don't have to do a lot of constant stirring like the regular method of cooking our pancit. Here, we just dump everything together, we cover, and let the Saladmaster cooking system cook for you, all right? And then, when everything is here, we're gonna add our vegetarian stir-fry sauce. You just have to estimate, okay? All right, and then your vegetarian broth, okay? All of this. We measured this already. Okay. And then after this, we're gonna add your fried shallot and your fried garlic. Like what I said earlier, you can also use the fresh ones. All right. You see how easy to prepare this Saladmaster, our pancit in our Saladmaster electric skillet. All right. And then your fried shallot. Ooh, I can smell it. It's gonna be good. And then you have to make sure everything is inside so we can create that semi-vacuum seal. And then we're gonna put a little bit of pressure here to close. Just like that. Make sure the vapor valve is fully down. And then we're gonna set the timer to 10 minutes. Okay, for 450 degrees. Okay? And then that's it. Leave it. And it's gonna shut off automatically. So that's the beauty of my Saladmaster electric skillet. It's actually magical. We're gonna get back after 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes is up. We are ready to check our pancit. Remember, this is the very first time we're going to take a peek and open the lid. So what we did earlier is we just dumped everything together. Now, let's see. I'm so excited. Wow! Look at that! Look at the colors. The colors of the vegetables become even vibrant. So that means we were able to retain the natural flavor, the nutrients, the vitamins. So, wow! Look at the noodles. Cook in perfection. So all we need is now to start stirring it. Now you can also add shrimp on top of it if you want to. But remember, this is a vegetarian pancit or veggie pancit. But you can also opt to use pork, chicken, and shrimp. Woo! Smells good. Now let me try my finished pancit. Wow! Cook in 10 minutes. Yummy! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!